here we have it. We have the updated, I just got this today, the ICEMag 2, which includes the wire that stand Qi 2 and the little cool active cooling RGB fan. So let's flip it over and see some. Pop this stuff. And over here, look at the box. It looks nice. Okay, nothing in here. But your USB-C to USB-C here. I already have one, so I don't need to. Your instruction booklet. User's manual. Same thing to be honest here. Let's move the camera just a tiny bit. Alright. And it's, oh wow, looks cool. I mean, let's compare it. Obviously, one looks the same, but I think this one's a little bit more bigger compared to here. And what we have on this one compared to this one, obviously the stand says a lot. It has that little stand for your phone, and you just pop. But here we have the battery indicator, and this is now much larger. The active cooling intake and the exhaust. So compared to here, where it does have the opening, but just a few were open, and then it would exhaust from here. So like if you're holding your hand like this, the heat would, it's fine. It doesn't bother me, but yeah. So yes, this has Qi 2, so that's nice. I will compare this in the next upcoming video to my Ugreen to see whose has a better quality. Obviously, to lift this, there you go. And then the charging is USB-C down here. Or if you want to charge your phone through this USB-C port, you can. So that's amazing. If you want to see head-to-head, I guess, between these two, why don't you drop a like and comment and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.